Hello, providers. Here is a special message from the Provider Relations staff. We wanted to let you know about 6 things you should do when you have a school readiness contract. To maintain compliance with your school readiness contract, avoid childcare licensing violations, especially Class 1 violations, as repeated non-compliance can impact your contract. Occasional Class 2 or 3 violations are less concerning, but preventing violations is crucial. Check the provider portal weekly for developmental screenings, ASQs, for children aged 6 weeks to kindergarten entry. Inform Provider Relations if screenings are unnecessary for specific children. Please inform your Provider Relations specialist promptly of any updates to critical information on your provider profile, such as Gold Seal status, school calendar, or contact details, as these changes can affect reimbursement. Remember to keep essential documents like liability insurance and childcare license updated on the provider portal throughout the contract period. Upload new copies promptly when they expire. Consider joining the SR Match program to provide childcare assistance to eligible employees and support the school readiness program. Visit the ELC website for more information. Stay in touch. Reach out to your Provider Relations specialist with any questions about your SR contract or the provider portal. Please contact our Provider Relations staff for more information or assistance. Thank you for your partnership, and we look forward to continuing working together for a better Broward County.